All right guys, Kermit with QuickTech here. We're gonna show you how to mount a TV to metal studs. You know it's metal studs because whenever you drill into the surface, it stops instead of keep going into the wood. So we're gonna use some of these 3/16 toggle bolts. We're gonna insert it into the wall. It's gonna hold on to the back of those metal studs and it'll hold your TV mount, and then you'll have a good end result. So stay tuned guys. All right, so I'm gonna use a 1/2" drill bit to make these holes big enough for the toggle bolts. There's one hole. There's two holes. There's three holes. There's four holes. All right guys, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get your 3/16 toggle bolt, and you wanna kind of push it down like this to where you can insert it into the hole. And you'll insert it in like that, and then you'll make these little plastic tabs even again on the side. And then what you're gonna do is come to the side real quick, is you're gonna push this as tight as you can and get it real flush to the wall, and then you break it off. And then you're done with number one. Do this for all four. All right, next thing you want to do is you want to get your mount level and you want to tighten down all your threaded bolts. I like to get them almost all the way tight. Get a little bit closer on the side. I like to get them all the way almost tight, and then I'll come back and fully tighten it with the hand tool. That way I got the torque just how I like it. So we'll go ahead and grab a Phillips screwdriver, and we'll tighten these until they're nice and snug, and then I know they're nice and secure and going to hold the mount securely. And there you go. That's how you mount a TV on metal studs. We got all our bolts nice and tight. We got our level nice and level. Now the last thing we have to do is go ahead and get our TV and set it on top of the bracket and put our security bolts. And then you're good to go, folks. All right guys, now you have successfully completed mounting the TV on metal studs. You can now pull your TV out, turn it side to side, and push it back when you're done. Go ahead and take your plastic off your TV, and you are then good to go. And there you go, folks. Contact us for all your tech needs.